Return a default value if a dictionary key is not available. I need a way to get a dictionary value if its key exists, or simply return none, if it does not. However, Python raises a key error exception if you search for a key that does not exist. I know that I can check for the key, but I am looking for something more explicit. Is there a way to just return none if the key does not exist?
You can use dict.get, which will return none if key is not in D. You can also provide a different default value that will be returned instead of none.
Wonder no more. It's built into the language.
Use dict.get. Returns the value for key if key is in the dictionary, else default. If default is not given, it defaults to none, so that this method never raises a key error.
You should use the get method from the dict class. This will result in a equals none. If the key isn't found in the dictionary, the get function returns the second argument.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.